Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is the life cycle of a star. Uh, so, the stars which have a characteristics like a human beings, it gets a birth, it increases or spreads, and after some time it's vanished from the universe. So, while while we learn this the characteristics of stars, we have to learn or make a comparisons between the different stars such as red giant star, sun, white dwarf star, supergiant star, and there the formations of stars, or how it gets a birth, and how it settled in the universe, and the different characteristics of stars such as its temperature, its design or size, and after that how it's vanished from the universe. Okay. We will start these lessons after reading the different points at the different levels. We will get an explanations of that point. Okay. So we will start these lessons with the reading. We have learned about the structure of the universe in the earlier standard. Our solar system is situated in a galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of billions of stars, their planetary systems, and interstellar cloud which are present in the empty space between the stars. This universe is made up of innumerable such galaxies. Galaxies differs in structure and shape. We can divide them into three types: a spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. Our galaxy is a spiral galaxy, and is called a Milky Way and Mandakini. A spiral galaxy is shows in the figure. So in this figure we will see it's as in a chakra position, that is in a spiral position. Okay. Then how did we obtain all the informations about the universe? If we look at the sky at a night, we see only planets and stars. Then how did we get informations about other components of the universe? The answer is a telescope. Several telescopes are placed on the surface of the earth, while some others are kept abroad. Man-made satellites which are obtaining the informations about such galaxies which is in the universe. So the highly powerful telescopes we send into the universe, into the space, and that telescopes gathered informations about the design, about the shining, and about the structure of the different galaxies. So that galaxies also have different properties in their life cycle. So the properties of a star. Next point is properties of a star. Like our solar system or our Milky Way galaxies, there are many stars present in the universe. We can say that more than 4,000 stars with our naked eye. Sun is the ordinary star among them. The reason to call Sun as an ordinary star, that even though it appears to be a larger than all the stars in the sky because it's being nearest to us. So, there are billions of stars which have a higher or a lower mass size and temperature of those of the sun. Stars are gigantic spheres of hot gas. Some properties of the suns are given in the table below. Hydrogen makes up 72% of the mass of the sun, while helium is 26%. The rest gases are up to 2%. So, in the properties of the suns, that the mass is 2 into 10 raised to 30 kg. The radius of the sun is 6 lakhs 95 69 lakh sorry 6 lakhs 95,700 kilometer, and surface temperature of the sun is 5,800 Kelvin. The temperature at the center is 1.5 into 10 raised to 7 Kelvin, and the age is 4.5 into 10 raised to 9 years. Our galaxy has about the 10 raised to 11 stars. 10 to 11 stars. Its shape is like a disk with the bulge in the center. The diameter is about the 10 raised to 18 kilometer, and the solar system is situated at the distance of the 2 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 17 kilometers from its center. The galaxy is rotating around an axis passing through its center and a perpendicular the disk. Its period of rotation is about 2 into 10 raised to 8 years. So these are the main informations about the sun and its presentation of the galaxy, that is Milky Way. The mass of the sun is about 3.3 lakh times that of the earth, and its radius is 100 times that of the earth. Other stars have masses between 1 upon 10 that of the sun and 100 times that of the sun, and their radius between 1 raised to 10, 1 upon 10, that is 1,000 times of the radius of the sun. Student, this lesson is just about the information of the life cycle of the sun, life cycle of the stars, different stars. So we have to read this lesson thoroughly and take out the important points or important lines from these lessons as to remember, as to memorize that point. So extract the such points or lines, important lines from this lesson point to point wise. So, such as in this point we have informations about the mass of the sun, mass of the earth, and its comparison with the earth, and the radius of the sun. So these are all informations about the sun. The next is the age of the sun and other star, which is the time elapsed after their formation, can be between a few millions years and a few billion years if the properties of the sun had changed in its lifetime. It would have caused change in the properties of the earth in the life cycle on the earth. It affects the life cycle on the earth. Detailed studies of the property of the earth have led scientists to conclude that the properties of the suns have remained unchanged over its lifetime from 4.5 billion years. According to the studies made by the astronomer, these properties will slowly change in the further 4.5 billion years. Means the sun remains constant for a long period of a time up to this time, but the planetary system has made different changes in its life cycle. Today we will stop at this point, student, to get into thoroughly in these lessons. You have to read these points carefully and extract the important lines from these points, such as properties of stars. There are some lines which are related with the properties of stars, so that you have to write down in your notebook. Each concept write down separately of these lessons, so you will understand the properties of different stars and the other stars and the comparison with the other stars or planets. So today we will stop here. Thank you.